even more in this moment. But about this is about accepting din, no? It is essential to have clear, strong intentions of what we desire, but it's actually important for us to detach from the outcome. It's time to surrender. Let the universe have some breathing room to work. Let go of the wheel and trust us so deeply that your trust turns into a gratitude for what you cannot see yet, but you know is coming. Ayan. So once you pray it, incorporate your faith, no? So let the universe work it. Let the universe process it, no? Just hold your trust there, and it will happen. What you wanted to have, what you think you, what prayer and situations do you wanted to have, no? I-pray nyo lang, just pray for it, and leave it to the universe to work on it, no?